Rusky's Crypto Cave here, and this video is going to be fairly short, but I'm just going to talk about the Bitmain Antminer X5. I actually did place an order for one of these on September 13th from Coin Mining Central, and the batches were supposed to ship out the 5th or the 10th. And if you notice, like, nobody really posted any videos about receiving theirs or anything like that, and there's a good reason for that. Let me open this up. There's a screenshot of an email I got from Coin Mining Central, and apparently there's been some issues with them that they can't seem to figure out and fix, because I guess they were testing units before they shipped them out, and they were unable to correct the issue with Bitmain tech support and all that stuff, and had to send them back. So they actually, Coin Mining Central sent me a refund. I got all my money, my Ethereum back, so I used ETH to pay for it, and basically just told to keep an eye out for when the website shows them back in stock. And I checked on Bitmain's website. They show sold out. And when you go over here down to XMR RandomX, it says to be continued, which is odd. You think it just says sold out or whatever, but not sure why that shows there. And that just shows sold out. But yeah, so there must have been an issue, problem with them getting them working, or what the deal is. Anyway, it's kind of a good thing that Coin Mining Central did actually like test units before they shipped them, because nothing would suck more than waiting for a new unit to arrive and you get it and it's DOA. And that's no fun. So it's good for them to notify me and offer a full refund. So shout out to them. I don't have any affiliate links or anything like that. And in fact, actually to purchase this, I used the Hobbyist Miners link to purchase it, to get the $100 or 100 British pounds off, I guess you'd say, which works out to be probably like $110 or 120 bucks, whatever the conversion is. But I also have to give them a shout out. I ordered my second KS0 from those guys, and instead of shipping me the KS0 with the European plug that was useless to me since I'm in North America, they actually replaced it and put a NEMA 15 plug in there that I could use for regular 120 outlets in the US. So that was a nice little touch, which Coin Miner Bros, which is the first place I ordered my first KS0 from, they did not, and which that was originally supposed to be a July batch and never got it until mid-August. So I basically ordered the one from Coin Mining Central a month after the one from Coin Miner Bros, and it was only maybe a week or less difference in delivery time. So going forward, I'll definitely look into using Coin Mining Central for any purchases. But back to this X5, I've been mining Monero since GPUs on Kryptonite back in 2018, and that's where I mined the most of it. I've been CPU mining it since. I do kind of believe in a coin. I think there always will be a use case for it. Might not always be the most legit use case for it, because dark web and privacy and all that stuff might be some uses, but it is what it is. I think it's always going to have some value. I think in the US, maybe liquidating it and getting rid of it might become an issue, but because there's not a whole ton of exchanges that offer it. I think Kraken. I think you can still sell it on Kraken and liquidate your assets under a Kraken. But actually, since I started mining it, I haven't sold a single one. I have like 20, I think just under 23 Monero right now. I was going to give the X5 a shot, and hopefully it would be able to, either through Bitmain's own firmware or in a third-party firmware, that you'd be able to update it and mine other CPU mineable coins, because it's not really an ASIC, it's just a different type of CPU architecture that allows you to, that works pretty well on RandomX. And there's a couple other people that did some videos as far as about like the efficiencies and stuff, and it's pretty comparable to like different epics or 7900s or whatever, but just the cost to get that amount of hash rate, it's a better value, I guess you could say. So at my electric rate, I think it probably would have made $6 a day, something like that. Let's go to what to mine and check that out. Coins, Monero. 212 kilo. Hey, I guess I must have been messing around with this before. Say there's a 1% pull fee. I'm right around 5 cents a kilowatt. It was about $3 is what I would have got it for. Let's go current value. Yeah, so revenue would have been like $6.45 a day. Cost $1.62 to run. Profit of $4.83. And with a hash rate of 212 kilohash, you see the current network hash rate, I believe, is 2.04 gigahash. So for them to double the network hash rate, they would have to sell 10,000 of these miners, roughly, maybe a little bit less, but and then that would cut the profitability in half. But it would still be $2.40, which is better than my Jazz miner that I have now. It's better than the Cadena miner that I have now. That's actually making more money than what the KS zeros are. Each for one, but the KS0 uses substantially less power. But I should break even in the year and a half-ish, year and 3/4, somewhere around there, 621 days. So it wasn't super terrible. There's definitely been a lot worse miners that they came out with, but I was going to give this one a shot. I still may do it. Just a matter of just got to wait and see what happens, how long it's going to take for them to release them again, if they figure out the issues. So I'm going to keep an eye on Coin Mining Central and different websites and Bitmain's websites and see if they make any announcements. But I should throw this on dark mode here. I didn't realize that. There we go. That's better, ain't it? Not quite as blinding. But yeah, that's why I was kind of curious why I wasn't seeing anybody like any YouTubers and stuff posting reviews of them. But I'm guessing their units are probably in the same situation, where they're being held up because the damn things aren't working. So I've seen people videos about the announcements of it and the speculation about what it would do and all that stuff, but didn't see a video of anybody having one in hand. And then when I got that email from Coin Mining Central, I was like, well, that explains it. So now it's just a matter of wait and see. Hopefully I get they get that stuff figured out and we get these out there and see how they perform. So until then, basically just gotta wait. Hopefully I can get my hands on one, and when I do, I'll definitely post a video about it and let you know how it's working. So until the next one, we'll catch you later.